Hi, this is Dr. Habersham, and I wanted to create a quick video to kind of remind you of some of the things that we went over during the first 2 days of orientation. The purpose of this video is to walk you through getting started in your lessons in Comp 1000. Now, when you're starting in your lessons, of course, you want to click on the Lessons tab. You want to go to your course modules, and I use the word lessons and modules interchangeably, but they are really referred to as the modules. And let's say I'm starting module number 2, which is computer terminology. You see that this closes on February the 2nd at 11 p.m. So whatever is inside of this module, I need to make sure that I have it finished by February the 2nd, otherwise I'm not going to be able to submit that, and that will turn into a 0. We want to start at the top. The top actually has your lessons. Here you have your discussion. If you miss the live lecture, then you have to post to the discussion board. This is the attendance quiz that I give you the pin for during the live lecture. This is where you submit your assignments that are found in the lessons, and this is where you take your test. So let's open up the computer terminology. It may take a few seconds for it to open up. And you see your standard. The standard is computer terminology. Here's your lesson objective. We have the student learning outcomes here. And when you're finished with this module, you will have developed an information technology vocabulary. You want to always view your videos. The first one is, what are these buttons for? This is brought to us by gcflearnfree.org. Review your video in its entirety, and then you want to click here because it's yellow and says click here. Your key terms. It's very important to review your key terms because these key terms this helps you a lot with your exam. So these are the terms that you'll need to be familiar with within this module. So you want to continue to the next page, reading, viewing the video. Here you have some lessons. So your first lesson is what is a computer. You want to open that lesson up and walk through the lesson. It's 4 pages. So you want to walk through, make sure you watch all the videos. This opens in a new window because it's an external website. So when I get to number 4, page 4, then I know that I'm finished, and then I can just go right back to the next thing, which is another lesson. Walks us through what is a laptop, how to differentiate a laptop from a desktop. And then we go to another lesson, the basic parts of the computer, same thing. You have a lesson, you have, then we move to the next one, which is describing the purpose of an operating system. You want to watch the video and view your lessons. You want to continue doing this until you get to the last page, or you see something in red that says assignment. And this is your assignment, the Computer Basics Project. You want to open this up. It's going to open up in Google Drive. You can download it, open it up. You can actually type on the document. Just let it go ahead and open here. You can actually type on the document the correct answers, and then once you're finished you want to save this, and I have some instructions embedded. If I can get back to it. I have instructions embedded in here to tell you what you need to do as far as your submission. Alright, hope this has been helpful.